Today I'm gonna give you a quick review of the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Harrisonburg, Virginia. Brand new property, opened just a few weeks ago, and you can actually smell that when you walk in. New furniture, clean AC filters, fresh everything. First impression? Great. Free on-site parking all around the building, the elevator's quick. In a 5-floor building like this one, that's not a must, but it's really cool. A nice touch, every floor has its own ice machine. Super convenient if you're staying for more than a night, which is exactly what these hotels are designed for. Let's talk about the room itself. Modern, clean and thoughtfully laid out, in my case a king-sized bed with nightstands on both sides and a decent sofa. One of the signature elements of Home2 is a movable table you can slide over for dinner or for work from couch mode. There's also a huge smart TV and, what really surprised me, an actually comfortable office chair. Same for the luggage bench, integrated into the main counter, at a good height, no awkward bending or feeling guilty for scratching the desk or anything. There's no closed wardrobe, just an open rack with a curtain. Honestly, works great and prevents the wardrobe from developing this hotel-like smell after a few years. Home2 Suites always have a small kitchen, which is great for extended stays. You've got a big fridge with a freezer, a toaster, dishwasher, coffee maker, real dishes, so no single-use paper or plastic stuff there. Interesting detail, the breaker box is accessible. Sounds weird, but sometimes it's really helpful, for example if your fridge is too noisy at night. I really like the bathroom, no tub, just a clean walk-in shower. I personally prefer this over combo tubs any day. Soap and shampoo come in pumps, which I know some people hate, but I actually like it. Breakfast is your typical Home2 setup: toast, eggs, jam, waffles, coffee, juice, etc. Nothing fancy, but enough to get you started. One of my personal highlights is the gym. It's surprisingly big, with tons of natural light. Integrated into the gym is a small area for washers and dryers. There's even a little patio where you can sit outside and catch a breath after work. Bottom line, this place really nailed it for a standard business hotel. It's clean, modern, super functional, and sometimes that's all you need. If you're ever in Harrisonburg or on your way to Washington Dulles Airport, I'd absolutely stay here.